What did the farmer like? किसान को क्या पसंद आया? Option is A. Vegetables, सब्जियां, B. Flowers, फूल, C. Fruits, फल, D. Trees, पेड़. Answer is option C. Fruits, फल.
What did the farmer decide to grow? किसान ने क्या उगाने का फैसला किया? Option is A. Flowers, फूल, B. Fruits, फल, C. Vegetables, सब्जियां, D. Grains, अनाज. Answer is option B. Fruits, फल.
Where did the farmer grow grapes and watermelons? किसान अंगूर और तरबूज कहाँ उगाता था? Option is A. In his garden, उसके बगीचे में, B. In his backyard, उसके घर के पीछे, C. In a corner, एक कोने में, D. In a pot, एक गमले में. Answer is option C. In a corner, एक कोने में.
Who did the farmer decide to gift the best fruit to? किसान ने सबसे अच्छा फल किसे उपहार में देने का फैसला किया? Option is A. His wife, उसकी पत्नी, B. The queen, रानी, C. The king, राजा, D. The princess, राजकुमारी. Answer is option C. The king, राजा.
What were the best fruits on the farm that year? उस साल खेत में सबसे अच्छे फल कौन से थे? Option is A. Apples, सेब, B. Bananas, केले, C. Grapes, अंगूर, D. Watermelons, तरबूज. Answer is option D. Watermelons, तरबूज.
Why did the farmer choose to take grapes instead of watermelons? किसान ने तरबूज की जगह अंगूर क्यों चुना? Option is A. Grapes are sweeter, अंगूर मीठे होते हैं, B. Grapes are lighter, अंगूर हल्के होते हैं, C. Grapes are bigger, अंगूर बड़े होते हैं, D. Grapes are faster, अंगूर तेज होते हैं. Answer is option B. Grapes are lighter, अंगूर हल्के होते हैं.
Where did the palace guard take the farmer? महल के रक्षक किसान को कहाँ ले गए? Option is A. Royal kitchen, शाही रसोई, B. Royal court, शाही दरबार, C. Royal garden, शाही बगीचा, D. Royal hall, शाही हॉल. Answer is option C. Royal garden, शाही बगीचा.
What was the king doing when the farmer arrived? जब किसान आया तो राजा क्या कर रहा था? Option is A. Eating, खाना, B. Sleeping, सोना, C. Playing, खेलना, D. Reading, पढ़ना. Answer is option C. Playing, खेलना.
What did the farmer do with the basket of grapes? किसान ने अंगूर की टोकरी का क्या किया? Option is A. Gave it to the guard, उसे पहरेदार को दे दिया, B kept it in front of him, उसे अपने सामने रख लिया. C threw it away, उसे फेंक दिया. D hid it, उसे छिपा दिया. Answer is option B, kept it in front of him, उसे अपने सामने रख लिया.
What did the king do with the grapes first? राजा ने अंगूरों के साथ सबसे पहले क्या किया? Option is A. Gave them away, उन्हें दे दिया. B. Ate them, उन्हें खा लिया. C. Threw them, उन्हें फेंक दिया. D. Planted them, उन्हें बोया. Answer is option B. Ate them, उन्हें खा लिया.
What did the king do playfully? राजा ने खेल खेल में क्या किया? Option is A. Kicked the grapes, अंगूरों को लात मारी. B. Threw grapes, अंगूरों को फेंका. C. Hid the grapes, अंगूरों को छिपाया. D. Gave grapes, अंगूर दिए. Answer is option B. Threw grapes, अंगूरों को फेंका.
What did the farmer say when hit by the grape? अंगूर से टकराने पर किसान ने क्या कहा? Option is A. Oh no. B. Help me. C. Thank God. D. Not again. Answer is option C. Thank God.
Why did the king ask the farmer about thanking God? राजा ने किसान से भगवान को धन्यवाद देने के बारे में क्यों पूछा? Option is A. The farmer was hurt, किसान दुखी था. B. The farmer smiled, किसान मुस्कुराया. C. The farmer was silent, किसान चुप था. D. The farmer laughed, किसान हंसा. Answer is option B. The farmer smiled, किसान मुस्कुराया.
What would have happened if the farmer brought watermelons? अगर किसान तरबूज लेकर आता तो क्या होता? Option is A. Nothing, कुछ नहीं. B. More fun, ज्यादा मजा. C. Serious injury, गंभीर चोट. D. Bigger gift, बड़ा तोहफा. Answer is option C. Serious injury, गंभीर चोट.
What was the wise farmer's conclusion? बुद्धिमान किसान का निष्कर्ष क्या था? Option is A. God is great, भगवान महान है. B. Grapes are better, अंगूर बेहतर हैं. C. Watermelons are heavy, तरबूज भारी हैं. D. The king is kind, राजा दयालु है. Answer is option A. God is great, भगवान महान है.
Fill in the blanks. The farmer decided to grow blank on his land. Option is A. Vegetables. B. Flowers. C. Fruits. D. Grains. Answer is option C. Fruits.
The farmer worked hard to grow a variety of blank. Option is A. Vegetables. B. Flowers. C. Fruits. D. Grains. Answer is option C, fruits.
The farmer took special care to grow blank and watermelons. Option is A. Apples, B. Grapes, C. Bananas, D. Mangoes. Answer is option B. Grapes.
The farmer decided to gift the best fruit to the blank. Option is A. Queen, B. King, C. Prince, D. Princess. Answer is option B. King.
The farmer's wife suggested that the best fruits were the watermelons and the blank. Option is A. Apples, B. Bananas, C. Grapes, D. Mangoes. Answer is option C. Grapes.
The farmer chose to take blank because watermelons were too heavy. Option is A. Apples, B. Bananas, C. Grapes, D. Mangoes. Answer is option C. Grapes.
The farmer put bunches of grapes in a blank and walked to the king's palace. Option is A. Basket, B. Bag, C. Box, D. Crate. Answer is option A. Basket.
The farmer told the palace guard that he had brought a blank for the king. Option is A. Message, B. Letter, C. Gift, D. Book. Answer is option C. Gift.
The palace guard took the farmer to the royal blank. Option is A. Kitchen, B. Court, C. Garden, D. Hall. Answer is option C. Garden.
The king was playing with the blank when the farmer arrived. Option is A. Queen, B. Prince, C. Princess, D. Guard.
Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then comment the answer in comment box.
The guard pointed to the farmer and told the king that the blank were a gift from the farmer. Option is A. Apples, B. Bananas, C. Grapes, D. Mangoes. Answer is option C. Grapes.
The king took a bunch of grapes from the blank. Option is A. Basket, B. Bag, C. Box, D. Crate. Answer is option A. Basket.
The king plucked another grape and threw it at the blank. Option is A. Guard, B. Queen, C. Princess, D. Farmer. Answer is option D. Farmer.
The farmer thanked blank when the grape hit his forehead. Option is A. The king, B. The queen, C. God, D. The guard. Answer is option C. God.
The wise farmer concluded that blank is great. Option is A. The king, B. God, C. The queen, D. The guard. Answer is option B. God.